Welcome to your daily glow ritual. Today, we're breaking down a simplified 5-step Korean morning skincare routine to help you achieve that fresh, dewy, glass skin look without overwhelming your shelf or your schedule. Start with a gentle, water-based cleanser to remove overnight sweat and impurities. Korean skincare focuses on clean, balanced skin without stripping natural oils. Apply a hydrating toner with your palms or a cotton pad. This helps prep your skin to absorb the next steps better and keeps moisture locked in. Essence is a lightweight liquid packed with active ingredients. It promotes cell turnover and helps create that glowing, translucent skin. Use a lightweight, gel-based, or creamy moisturizer to seal in hydration. Choose one with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. This is the most important step. Korean sunscreens are known for being lightweight, non-greasy, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Never skip this. It's the real glow protector. And that's it. Your 5-step Korean morning routine for radiant, healthy skin. Like and subscribe for more faceless skincare rituals, and let your glow do the talking.